So this is the moment we've been waiting for. We spent hours and hours prepping for this. We went through our semifinals, and in the first semifinal round, Jason was taken down by Emmy the Exterminator. And then in the second semifinal round, yours truly, major upset by Tatum Paloma. So we've come to the point now where we have to crown our egg royalty of what, the year, the night, whatever. And so we've come now to our championship round. I want to take a minute just to reintroduce our contestants again, the candidates for our championship. On this side here of the table, in this corner, we have Emmy. Say hi, Emmy. What do you want to say to your fans, Emmy?
I want to say bye-bye, Tatum.
Tatum was like,
Sister Schmisters.
Let me go do
All right.
this.
Well, in response to that, then, Tatum, what would you like to say to your fans?
Oh, you got nothing, girlfriend. She is gonna go down, and yeah.
Yeah, and yeah.
Say believe the hype.
Spoken like a true millennial. Actually, is she a
My
millennial?
arms are gonna get
All right.
scrambled.
That's better than anything I can come up with.
You're gonna get scrambled.
Wow, all right. So, we had our pre-round Junkin poll already, and I think
Tatum won.
Tatum won. So, Tatum, who's going to be going first? Emmy. Emmy has been chosen to go first in this final round. Championship round.
And come on, let's go. Then he has to.
He's supposed to. Okay, just kidding.
Your egg.
Okay. Look what
Choose
I
wisely.
found.
All right, the first egg has been chosen.
Excellent choice.
I don't feel good about it.
Put on your head. All right.
All right, so we're well underway in this championship round
Tatum is feeling
of
good
egg
right
roulette,
now.
and Tatum must be feeling good because it's now 1-0. Remember, first person to get 2 raw eggs on their head is the loser, and the other person is the champion of egg roulette. Are you sure? Okay.
Why was
all right,
that
all right,
one
okay.
hard?
Good choice. Okay.
Oh, that hard?
Emmy, you could.
I'll choose right.
I'll choose wisely.
Ah, you already picked that one. You already touched that one.
Okay, all right, she chose it. Okay, Emmy, just no pressure. But if this is raw, you lose. Okay? All right. Here we go. This could be the game right here.
Come on.
Right into the camera. Ready your fans as this is happening.
Come on, Emmy.
Hard boiled.
The
that hurt?
proverbial egg is in your court.
I choose wisely.
Tatum.
Don't smell it.
Smell them.
So I just want to remind you that you're ahead. So no pressure. But choose wisely. All right. Okay, here we go. We're moving on here.
Is it boiled or what? Is it boiled or not?
Tatum.
Can I touch
No,
Hard,
on your
no,
head.
on your head.
It's hard. It's hard.
Did it crack yet? No. Well, don't do it that long. Why do it sideways? Yeah. Tatum, come on.
Use the momentum.
Here, you want me to do it? I'll do it. Okay, Tatum. Just one time, pow. That was a hard choice.
Oh, good one.
Alright.
She chose wisely.
Okay, I
All right,
mean,
this is for the tie.
Okay.
no, this is for the win.
Yeah.
Wait, she got egg.
you
Oh
want-
yeah.
Oh, you
Yeah,
already
they both.
touched that egg.
No.
Malia!
All right, okay, we're moving on here.
Malia!
Me.
I think I'm gonna have a bruise on my head.
Me. Oh.
Oh. What can you
It's
tell?
hard, yeah.
You didn't even spare.
Okay. Here, I'm just making sure.
Yeah.
Making sure. That's my role
Oh.
as the efficient of this game. Okay. Okay. Square right on this point right here. This is harder than anywhere else on your head. Look that way.
Face us so we can see.
Oh, no.
It hurts.
Yeah, because you hit the
This
wrong
one
part.
is raw.
I really hope someone got that in slow motion. That would make me feel so good about myself. All right, so now we have an
Tied.
interesting situation here.
How many eggs
We
we
are
have left?
tied.
How many?
1-1, and there are 6 eggs left. That means
Two are
that you
wrong.
have 1 in 6 chance of losing. 2 in 6 chance.
It's all on video.
I meant to say 1 in 3. Sorry, I've been drinking. So. All right, 1 in 3 chance of losing. That's not the right attitude.
Come on.
The camera loves a winner.
Come on.
All right. Okay, we're moving on. Okay, look to the camera. Look
Why do you
right
guys
at your
smell
fans.
it?
Look right at your fans.
Come on.
This isn't raw.
How do you know?
Come on.
Give it a shot.
Harder.
It's hurt.
On your head. On your head.
Oh.
I have one!
So that seems like kind of
No,
way to win
no.
this.
Uncle
But
Chad and I are gonna have
At this point,
Consolation.
we
No, I'm
have
gonna
our
be the
champion.
winner.
Tatum Paloma is a champion of Egg Roulette, the 2015 tournament.
Okay, let's get all the contestants up here for one.